SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love 2012 E-350. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E-350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades. Come take a test drive today.